Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Praty. I'm here with another new video on Get Ready With Me. Today I'm going for a day out, so I'm doing very simple makeup. So I'm taking here a primer. This primer is from the brand called Color Bar. It gives you this color. I love this primer from this brand because it gives you that perfect matte finish on your face, especially in the summers. It is very useful to keep your skin oil free from ruining your makeup, because all the day you're going to be out, and so it prevents all that messy thing. So now here I am taking a foundation from NYX. It is a mineral stick foundation, and this is in the shade of MSF09, and it also have a name called Caramel. So I'm taking a stippling brush and applying all over my face. Especially this stippling brush gives you that perfect flawless coverage, not exactly the coverage, that finish that you can't identify that you have applied a foundation. It gives you that natural thing. So now I am taking here another NYX product. It is finishing powder. It's a translucent powder, HD Studio Fix powder, and it has no shade. It's a translucent powder. I love this because it also controls that oil and fixes all the makeup to keep it in its place. So I really love. I'm applying it with a buffing brush. So I'm not using any liner here. I'm using a mascara from the brand called Maybelline, the Colossal Volume Express. It's a budget friendly mascara which gives you long looking lashes. I love this product too. Today I'm not applying any liner because I don't want that heavy makeup. It's a very simple day, so I want to look very simple, very basic. I don't want to go overboard with anything, so very simple thing. Even you can see that very light makeup on my face. Now I'm taking this blush from Milani, powder blush in the shade 08D Rose. I love this blush, that color, and I'm applying it with this contouring brush. So I use multi-purpose things. So here is today I'm using two lipsticks. One is from Color Bar, again Color Bar, in the shade Cafe Latte 09C, and this is from another NYX product. It is a gloss, butter gloss in the shade BLG 15. So I'm going to mix these two lipsticks, one lipstick and gloss, and gives you that nice color, nice peachy color. I think today all the products are from either NYX or Color Bar. It's time to fix my hair. I know it's very oily and greasy because unexpectedly I have to go out today, so I don't have time to wash my hair, so that's why. And even it's kind of humid outside, so today I will have I'll do a braid to my hair. I'm not going to leave it because it's so oily and unmanageable. So now I'm taking a side partition and taking front portion of my hair and just twisting it to the back, and very simple thing, not too fancy, anything too fancy, just making it sure that it won't come off, just placing the clips and bringing all the hair to one side. I'm doing a side braid now. Just do a normal braid kind of style, and secure it with this elastic. So now I'm done with my hair and makeup, very simple, not too fancy. So let me change and come. Yes, here is my dress with collar, neck, and kind of flowers and checks. This is my look. If you like this video, please hit on that like button and please do subscribe to my channel. I love to hear your experiences. This is Praty signing off.